Hey all, assalamu alaikum. I'm your instructor Hajra, Yasir. Today is the day that I need to upload the spoken English series lesson number 4, but unfortunately I couldn't do it due to my sickness, as I have been suffering from a terrible sore throat, as well as I have lost my voice in the morning. Apart from that, now the time is 12:55 a.m. in Abu Dhabi, and what am I doing at this time? You might be thinking, yes, I'm reading a book. I'm reading this book. It is Surrounded by Narcissus, okay, which is written by Thomas Erickson. I really love this book. Let me read, okay? Quick to criticize and judge others. Since a narcissist is already the best at everything and shares this fact freely with anyone they meet, they also know that everyone else is far worse at everything. They don't mind sharing this fact either, often in a rather judgmental fashion. Since a narcissist feels entitled to think and say whatever they want to, they often do just that. And as a result of their obvious contempt for everyone else, they can't help but put people down. Basically, putting others down makes narcissists feel better because it makes them feel more important, like winners, more or less. Since narcissists tend to exhibit arrogance and haughtiness in their behavior and attitudes, there are only a few people whom they will be prepared to spend their time and attention on. The little people aren't really worthy of their attention. A narcissist who possesses developed social skills can cause tremendous harm to unwitting victims. As an example of this is the tremendous increase we've seen in hate speech online in recent years. Attacking people you don't like for some reason or another is a particular speciality of narcissists. It doesn't matter if the victim is guilty or innocent, since narcissists are unhindered by moral laws, believe they are entitled to do what they want, and feel that putting others down somehow elevates them. They prepare to spend huge amounts of time picking people apart. Sometimes they are basically just bullies. What? Bullies. So I really love reading these lines again and again, because whenever I receive the bad comments, judgmental comments, I take this book, turn the pages, and getting to know about their mental state. Okay, nothing else. So today a woman says, even if the person is mentally ill or sick or insane, we never point out to the person and say he is an insane or he is a sick-minded one. That's really awful comment, and nobody does that. Okay, and here what I'm doing is teaching and guiding the society, and I'm targeting the Tamil speaking students because being a Tamil speaking person and the student, I was a Tamil medium student, and I know the struggles of learning English, and I know the struggles of Tamil medium students. So I wanted to guide them in any possible ways. But if I receive a negative comment, something like this. Everybody around me says, just forget it, just pass this out, just move from this. You don't want to keep this in your mind to ruin. No, those comments are not gonna do anything to me, but I'm standing for myself. I need to stand for myself, and I need to stand for someone else. Okay, so these negative commenters always, they are having the narcissistic characteristics. So if you are a social media person, if you are a public speaker, or if you are handling the social media, please, you must have this book with you. I highly recommend. Whenever you come across a comment or any hatred speech against you, please go through, try to read. Okay, and finally we were responding her back, but she blocked us. So that is what they do. Okay, she blocked us, and she doesn't want to face us. It's okay, it's okay, but my dear sister, you really need a mental health. You really need it, unless you never have a guts or power to say someone who is teaching and who is doing something good, and you are saying that person is a mental person. So you really need a treatment. All the very best to you, my dear sister. I pray for you. Take care, have a nice day, and please, if you are a social media person, if someone says something to you, that is not a matter of just ignoring. No, you need to stand for yourself. Don't forget that. Okay, take care. All the best.